Right, hello and welcome to this episode of Lowdown Garage. Now today, you join me in the garage again, and you may notice the E30 is outside, the Polo's there. So what's happening? We must have an extra car. Well, we've got the 924 here. Yes, this is Lucas's car. Yes, it's in my garage, and that's because we're going to fix it and lower it. Now, he may have bought the worst car to lower. These have got a very weird rear axle on them. I've forgotten the name now. We're going to basically pull it out, adjust it, and then that'll lower it. We need to get it lowered because that will create motivation for the car and we'll actually want to drive it, because at the moment it just looks shit so high up. So let's get the car jacked up and look into what we're going to have to do. While we do this, we've got a few other parts to do. We've got a 924 Haynes manual, so that must mean we know everything about how to fix this car now. We've got some flexes to do and we've got some front lower ball joints to do. Let's crack on. YouTube magic to get it jacked up. And there we go, all jacked up. So we're gonna have a little look around the car and decide for what needs doing, but so far we found a bit of play in that, which is a bit crap, and then they are not the nicest. A few bits and bobs to be thinking about. Let's WD everything. Right, we're getting underway now. We've got a bit of a plan in action. We've consulted the Haynes manual. It's told us a few interesting things, so we're going to put that into action. We're just wire brushing all the bolts. And Joe's having a look at the wheel bearing. I'm going to have a look at the handbrake. We've just figured out that the wheel bearing was just not tight. We gunned it, we thought we threaded it, and then it skipped and went on, so that's good. I've got the seat out and... well, yeah, it's pretty minging. Need to disconnect the handbrake cable.
Where's the seat?
Lucas is still doing things. We've got some absolutely dead tunes on, so let's carry on working. Hammer.
Either or.
Yeah, let's give it a spin and a pull.
It's coming.
Oh,
Why is there a spider web inside my brake?
because you dusty wet pad.
Can that cause a fire?
No.
That's absolute skill, that.
What?
That's how much I don't use my brakes.
Cobwebs.
Cobwebs in
You've got cobwebs in front one and all.
there.
Yeah. 2 minutes 12 in, it's not off yet.
Fucking hell.
Right, the drum's kind of falling apart now. That's kind of bad. There's bits of it falling off. Yeah.
Shall return.
We'll return once we stop struggling. Right, we finally got the drum off. It just required some hammering. We've wire brushed everything now, and you having fun? Yeah. Right, so we're gonna blem. I got the handbrake cable disconnected. Keys Brown are probably going to cut this out because he'll say it's boring, but yeah, progress. Drive shafts are out now, there we go. Is the other one out?
Does anyone know where the wire brush is?
Right next to you.
Is it? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, behind the WD-40.
There we go, this one's about to come out. I'm getting the shockers out. Wow.
Update. I'll let Jake do it. Jake, update.
Update. We've disconnected the brakes, as you can see. Oh, it's missing. That's going in. And now we're trying to figure out the main bolts.
Yeah.
To get it out.
So we've got to do that bolt there, and then that one there, and then the shocks come out as well, but we've already done that.
Out.
So not much left to do.
No, but some spacker has routed the fuel lines underneath the rear axle.
Yeah.
Which they don't go there originally. So whoever's worked on this car previously, you're a shit mechanic, because all your brake lines are crap and all. Fast man. Crap bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, this fucker. Seized.
Seized. Tighten.
Yeah.
It's harder to tighten than it is to loosen.
Yeah.
So you did.
We're watching John Ludwig's video to tutor us on how to do this, but here we
That's
are.
why I'm crying like that.
Yeah.
They've got all the bolts out.
It's there. It's like right. It's that bit, I think.
Hammers!
Hammers, yeah. I mean, you could literally just stand on that. Or stand on it and there.
Yeah.
And
Then you're gonna
down.
fall. Right?
No, you won't.
You ain't going to be able to tighten that properly with your fingers, lad. Yeah, put. He were panicking every time I touched the gun.
I just don't like the gun.
Yeah,
scary.
Fucking range.
Man says he doesn't like the gun yet. The gun's like the only way sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have no option.
Where's the fuel?
It's dropped
Have you
one.
moved it, Jake?
Yeah, I've moved it all. The fuel's definitely not round the back of the garage on the floor.
Oh,
We are sat on the jack now, lad.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh. We're prying it.
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, but it will just
stop. Don't want to hear it. Yeah, I'll swing onto
onto the floor and then we'll go away.
Knock the jacks off.
Oh no. Actually, Lucas, then. Oh, I'm going to say get another jack stand, but we don't have one.
Jake, stop. Jake, this is bending. Stop.
Oh, you can't.
Jake, it's just the rear section now.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to set the camera down.
Oh, but you were pulling it your way instead of this way, lad, and then wondered why it all fell over.
Success! Wow! What do you think?
I think you should have done a different clip because he won't leave this bit in.
What do you mean? Lot of wire brushing and wax oiling to do now. So, it's only back together from here, which is good. We're just going to get some parts together now and figure out how to lower it and what we want to do and yeah. Go to comment.
Blem.
Joe, what do you think?
Thank God it's out.
Right, so this is what the underside of a 924 looks like without all the rear axle in. So you got the gearbox all there because it's at the back. Under here we've got, obviously that's the trans axle there, into the gearbox. Can you see it all? Yeah. Got a brake pipe here that we're going to join there and it's just fucked. So need to make a new brake pipe up. It's a little crusty there, but for a 40-year-old car, not bad. But yeah, let's get this brake pipe out. Blem. Oi. Right, that's the old brake pipe off the car. As you can see, it's not too bad. It's just crusty there, and then yeah, that's like how it runs in the car. So let's make that new. There we are, new brake pipe all done. So we're going to get that fit into the car and then it's time to figure out some axle adjustment. We're now going to tutor you through how to pull the splines out of the axle, what bolts you take off, and this is all just because of John Ludwig's video. We're going to also follow that step by step. That's something you found, isn't it? Going to make sure these are loose, which this sort of is, sort of isn't.
So these 4 bolts.
Yeah. Look at that. WD.
Wow.
Every time. Not sponsored, but there you go. You're pissing in wind if you don't have that. Telling you. Right. Don't like that one, does it?
Right, here we go.
Last one, got these 4 out, so that one, that one, that one. And this is where you're letting the tension off the spline.
I wouldn't have your hand on it.
I don't know which part. Is this bit or whatever?
I don't know.
Wow. Yeah, it's still minging. Bolt's fucked. Don't know what else to say. Put bar on it. Bolt spin. No spin.
Yeah, here we go.
Right, good news. These ones have all slackened off. That one, that one, that one, and that one. Now we're going to take them off, potential and unload, and then you mark it at that point. So we've already got a mark on this point here. Just to show the standard height. That's what that one is, but we'll mark it again when it relieves, and we'll see where we're at and measure from there.
We've had to do it there because the tension couldn't be relieved because this bolt's got stuck in. So, seems to be good. Moving.
Here we go.
And the last one.
Oh, here we go. Scared. Oh.
What?
What's that?
Some sort of spacer. Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Fucking siege bolts. Fuck this.
Edit eclipse. Edit eclipse. Edit eclipse. Right, this is how it clips.
Now we've cut the bolt, and yeah, I know it'll affect the mounting. I'll put a washer in, but wow,
relaxed.
Thank fuck.
There we go.
Will we ever put another bolt back in that? Maybe not.
We'll have to.
Fuck the bolt. Right, here we go. It's been a while since you last saw us, and well, we're making good progress now. Well, we've got poly bushes going on. Yep, we're going full poly bush on the 924. Every single bush you could think of. Got new handbrake cables, new bushes there. And we're just getting the poly bushes on to this one here. You can see that hooked. Then we've got wire brushing going on. And here, making it fresh. Yeah, mint. Here we go. There's your full rear axle assembly. Look at this t-shirt, by the way. Where do you get those, Joe? My Instagram. Look at that. There you go. Won't mind the tea. Monumental moment. We've got the rear axle assembled and ready to go in the car. There it is. We now understand how it works after taking it apart. So you've got camber adjustment, toe adjustment. This arm slides back and forth, up and down, and then the whole thing pivot. This in there, and it's tea time.
Tea time, Max calling.
Tea. Oh, actually, we may as well update you about this. There's the brand new front lower arms, power flex bushes in both, brand new everything. What do you think? That's what we think. It's spray painted my jack. Dickhead.
That's spray painting your lens.
I don't need to. There we go, we're on. Come on then.
Look, the fucking cable.
There we go. I'm in way now.
Right, can't go any further. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, no, but this needs to go in here, so that's there.
Right, just for context, this is a fresh day, and well, last time you saw us, we was putting the rear axle in. Well, I buttoned it all up, got all the drive shafts in, got this torque down. Lucas got the polybush front arms in, the brand new ones, and the roll bar links. There they are, look at that. Obviously the back end's now low, but the front end's yet to do. Not bought any coilovers yet, so we're just going to chop the springs. Managed to get them out with these absolute suicide tools, do not use those. And then, yeah, got it out. Gonna cut 2 coils off, see where it's at and find out. So, let's crack on. Right, there we go. Last time I spoke to you, I was showing you that I was about to cut the front springs. Well, I've cut this front springs. Just got to make sure that seats when we put it down, but this is going to be the first time putting the Porsche on the floor while it's low. So this might actually motivate us and give us some excitement.
Oh
my car's massive. I got my Civic, so it's lower than this. Oh, I'm so annoyed.
Oh no, just put that one. Look there. You're taking shins out.
Wow. That's so good.
Oh my god! It doesn't even move. Could you see that?
Tire.
Watch this. What's that noise?
That's what I'm wondering. That's what I don't like. Very low. Don't know. Go on, stand next to it for a comparison. What? That is.
It's pretty low.
It's pretty low.
Yeah. It's like getting. It's like getting on floor. Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah.
I didn't even look at it from front.
No. Sick. Minty. There we have it. There's another one in and out of the Lowdown Garage. That is the Porsche 924 lowered with a torsion bar on 2 clicks and cut front springs. There's what you get. That's your results. That's on 14-inch standard wheels as well. So yeah, we'll go see how it rides. Probably pretty terribly really, but oh well. That's what we call low compression. And the most horrible exhaust ever. Right, a quick ending of a video. This is the end of the Porsche video. Now obviously you saw me get into the Porsche and the clips cut because, well, there was a few issues such as overheating and sticky brakes, but that'll all be sorted in a later episode. But we digress. We're a few weeks on and that's the state of the Polo. Just thought I'd put this in there at the end just to show that, yes, sadly the Polo is leaving us, but, well, it's been due its course for a while and, you know, we're on to bigger and better things soon. So, with that, obviously this is a pretty clear update of what's coming in the next, you know, few months or whatever. So, if you enjoyed the Porsche video and you want to see more of the Porsche, comment what we should do next and make sure to like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.